What is up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors slash Daryl's Bar and Grill. Had a camping video for you guys today. Hurricane Ian messed all that up. Every park is closed, every management area is closed, every state park is closed, everything's closed. The place I used to go to camping, they're building houses now. Damn developers. Go figure. So we're in Daryl's Bar and Grill slash Daryl's Kitchen, whatever. We're gonna cook something quick and easy. Hamburger steak, mushrooms, peppers, onions, brown gravy. You can't go wrong. This is simple, quick, easy, and cheap to make. Stick around. It's gonna be good. Okay. Brown gravy. Heinz home style savory beef gravy. Yeah, I take shortcuts. I ain't got time to make it. This was going to be a campfire meal made on the mess kit. Thank you, Hurricane Ian. Prime rib hamburger patties. Onions, peppers, mushrooms, and seasoning. Let's get you to where you can see the action. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn on the stove. I ain't gonna cook without it. I'm replacing with the big jar gravy. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, we're going to go ahead and dump our onions, our mushrooms, and our peppers with seasoning in the pan. Get them going. Then we are going to, well, we're going to spread it around. This meal is so simple to make. Usually when I make it, I put it in a crock pot and set it and forget it. And it's so delicious. I love it. Then we are going to place in our pâtés like such. There we go. Trust me, they're in there. And then now a lot of people will brown their patties first. I don't like to do that, because to me you're losing flavor when you do it that way. I like the gravy and the grease and all that stuff to combine together. Our gravy. We'll pour it over the top. A little water in there. Get the gravy underneath the pâtés. Stir it around just a hair. And we will turn that down to about medium. We'll cover. We'll be back. What y'all think about that? Yeah. Okay, y'all ready? There's the rice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Let's get some of these mushrooms and peppers and onions, and let's not forget that we like gravy. Let's get to the table. All right, one more look before we dig in. Oh, I have something to drink with it. Oh boy. It's hot now. Boy, it smells so good. They need to really get on the ball with a smell-o-vision, because it don't do it no justice without it. I love this stuff. It's so simple to make. This took start to finish 30-45 minutes. Now, ideally, you cook it on low heat and let it cook for 2 hours. Makes it a little more tender. All of the juices and fats and greases and everything mixed together. Normally I do it in a crock pot. Just throw it all in a crock pot, let it cook all day. Some mashed potatoes, some green beans, and we eating. My wife don't care for mushrooms, but I made this for me. She's at work. So good. Hope you enjoyed this. I am. And let me adjust this just a little bit. I want to take time. I want you to take time. Say a prayer for our people in Southwest Florida, Central Florida, the Carolinas. They got hit by Hurricane Ian. I had to go on a rescue mission yesterday to Orlando. My daughter's up there. She goes to college. She was stuck in her apartment. Luckily, she had a second floor. She's got a second floor apartment, so she didn't get flooded, but she lost power and her car got flooded. Her car was totaled. She couldn't leave. She was stuck in her apartment for almost 3 days. And we got up there as soon as we could, as soon as they would open the roads to where we could actually get in. So we had to go up there and get her out and wade through the water to get to her. Get her a rental car. She got her hotel and everything so that she could, get out. She also has a dog to worry about as well. So now she's able to get out and go to work and get back to somewhat of a normal life, which is going to be a while before anything's normal here in Florida. But please, if you can, donate, give to your food banks. Anything, any little bit helps. These people on Fort Myers up through Port Charlotte and everything, they lost everything. Fort Myers Beach looks like a nuclear bomb went off. There's nothing there. And I just want to take time to, let them know that I am thinking about them and I'm doing everything that I can for them. Me and my wife's talking about, trying to donate, finding where we can donate. It's scary these days because you don't know if it's going to go to the people in need or the people in greed. And it's bad to think that, but that's how it is. Okay, that's that. Like I said, go ahead and say a prayer for them and do what you can to help if you can. Like, subscribe, notification, thumbs up, download and share. Check us out on Facebook, Sweet Outdoors. I really hope you enjoyed this. We are so close to 500 subscribers, people. We need 48 subscribers, and I would love to have it by Halloween. That gives us 1 month, and you can do it. You can do it. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.